What's up, everybody? It's your boy Fortune Booming, the leader of our generation and the #1 digital trapper in the world. Look, my Instagram page has been deleted again for the 7th time. I always get it back, but this time feels different. This time, not only did they delete my main page, Fortune.Booming, they deleted 4 other Instagram pages of mine at the same time. And you're probably wondering, who's they? It's not Instagram. Of course, Instagram actually deleted it, but it was people. Well, there's these kids in this community. It's an underground community for Instagram services, unbanned services, blah, 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 blah. And what they do is they're in India and Turkey and different places, and they run around bullying influencers, trying to take their page and blackmail them to give them money to get their page back, and they continuously do it. It's a circle. You get your page back by them, they delete it again, and then make you, pay them to get it back, and it's over and over and over again, right? So I'm not going for it. I'm an expert, of course, so I get my page back every time. Shout out to Recoveries.com. They look out, and shout out to mydigitalinsurance.com. But yeah, it's kids threatening to take down the page. Sometimes they get it taken down. Instagram also has ban waves. So like once in a while they just ban a bunch of accounts for no reason. And that sucks. And then there's other corrupt people inside of Meta that will delete your page if somebody pays them to. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. My pages are down right now, but by the grace of God, we'll get those pages back. But if we don't, we still gonna eat. We still gonna eat good. That's what entrepreneurs do. They adapt, they innovate, they keep it moving. I still got my other business pages. It's just I was really going hard with my personal brand, Fortune Booming, this year, next year, So it sucks. I have my backup page, which I'm not going to disclose, but yeah, they deleted my pages. Yeah. Listen, for all my clients, everything is still good. Operations are still going. Everything is still in motion. Everything is still going to get done. I just wanted to get on here and let y'all know that, yes, they did delete my pages. I did not deactivate it. They got them deleted. So we'll see how that goes. Just to give y'all some value, give y'all some gems. There's a few reasons why your Instagram account can get hacked or disabled. It can get hacked if you take a screenshot and send it to somebody that asks you to send it. It can get hacked if you click a link. So like it's phishing scams. You click a link and then they sign into your stuff, and a few other ways. Hackers and those type of people are getting really, really tricky. And then when it comes to your page being disabled, you get reported by a ban bot. A ban bot is when they send thousands and thousands of reports to your page in minutes and it takes it down. Yeah, you can get reported. Some kid can put your username in a ban bot. You can violate terms, which I'm gonna go over some different violations and different reasons. But you can violate terms, and then most of the time it's not a human. 90% of the time it's not a human being. Mainly like, oh, let me pick on you today. It's artificial intelligence. It's an algorithm. Their algorithm reads and scans and sees what's going on, and it does quality control. So a few different reasons can be sexual solicitation. That's what most OnlyFans girls or models or anybody who posts like a bathing suit that's showing too much skin, and somebody's probably hating and reporting it. It can come down for that, for sexual reasons. Terms of service, you violated the terms of service, whether it's posting somebody else's information or selling live animals. Like for example, a lot of dog breeders lose their page. A lot of dog breeders, cannabis people, and jewelry people lose their page. One, because you're not allowed to sell live animals on Instagram. You're not actually allowed to do that. And if you read the terms of service, it will show you that you're not allowed to do that. So dog breeders, please keep that in mind. Weed people, not for sale. Nothing's for sale. You know what I'm saying? Jewelry people get reported because they say copyright. Consignment companies, people that are reselling designer goods that's real, they get hit with the copyright and the counterfeit goods. What else? Sometimes people's pages get disabled because they didn't put the right birthday and they under 13. If you're under 13, you're not allowed to be on Instagram. Then there's impersonation. A lot of times when your page gets banned by a ban bot or a bunch of people reporting you, or when somebody gets paid to take your page take it down, most likely they're going to hit you with an impersonation ban. So with that being said, I'll give you some sauce, a trick to protect your account. Like it's like a small shield, it's not nothing major, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't guarantee your account can't go down forever. But to avoid impersonation bans, don't put a profile pic, don't put your face on a profile picture. Like your face should never be the profile picture, and your name should never be in the name bio. Like, you know how you put your name right before the actual bio? Leave that blank. Put your name in your actual bio and no profile pictures. And that will shield your account. You will not get banned for impersonation. What else is there? There's sale of illegal use. Sales of illegal things like drugs, firearms, yeah, stuff like that. You get the picture. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that my page is deleted right now. It will be back up. But in the meantime, subscribe to my YouTube channel, wherever the button is. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Fortune Booming. Follow me on Twitter, Fortune Booming TV. And yeah, just stay locked in with me. You can join my Telegram channel. You can join my Discord community, Fortune Booming World. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give y'all some gems. Of course, there's more details on the different type of bans and reasons and things like that. But I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that my page is disabled right now. And you guys, watch out. Be careful. Bullying and harassment is a big one. Don't respond to the trolls with curse words, because Instagram will ban your page for bullying and harassment. They scan the curse words, the N-word, all that stuff. They're really big on that. Instagram is getting very strict. So, you know, be careful. OnlyFans models, don't post no nipples. Don't post no nudes. Be careful what you say. And be careful what you say in the DMs as well. If you selling sexual stuff in the DMs, they can see it. Be careful. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, but I really just wanted to come on here and give y'all a quick update. And yeah, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yep.